The machine must be turned on. Open the front cover. Remove the toner, cartridge, and drum unit assembly. Push down the green lock lever. Take the toner cartridge out of the drum unit. This machine has two separate consumables, toner cartridge and drum unit. You have to change only the drum unit. Unpack the new drum unit. Push the old toner into the new drum unit until it locks into place. The toner roller must be in contact with the drum. It's better to clean the corona wire inside the drum unit by gently sliding the green tab from left to right and right to left several times. Be sure to return the green tab to the home position where there is the arrow. Reinsert the toner, cartridge, and drum unit assembly back into the machine. Close the front cover of the machine. After installing the new drum unit, you have to reset the drum counter. In the description, you'll find a link to video with the instructions.